If you get involved in design, engineering, R&D or production and you're considering vacuum forming, we've got some exciting news. Join Formech at the upcoming Southern Manufacturing Show from the 6th to the 8th of February. Formech will be hosting live demonstrations. Whether you're an expert or new to vacuum forming, our team will be there to assist you every step of the way. Formech understands that finding the right vacuum forming solution can be a challenge. Apart from vacuum forming, we can discuss with you materials, tooling and the trimming process. And here's the best part. Scan the QR code on your screen and receive free tickets to this exciting event. Visit Formech, stand L275. Let us transform your vacuum forming experience. See you at the Southern Manufacturing Show.